Hello there, welcome back to weather update today. Right now, as we have pretty large marginal risk today, stretching across most of the southeast and up until Michigan. We also have a slight risk across Colorado and also Mexico, Oklahoma, and Texas. We have 2% tornado, 15% significant wind, 15% significant hail today. And this has been producing very significant hail, but baseball-sized hail is possible with that cell. Looking over here towards these severe thunderstorm warnings, we have had recorded winds of 70 miles per hour along with it. And then looking towards Albany, looking at quite the cluster of storms right here heading to the south. And looking at the severe thunderstorm warning, it's probably for 60 miles per hour winds and penny-sized hail. Okay. This cell again has a pretty well defined and then we have golf ball sized hail, probably recorded, confirmed anyways. All the 60 miles per hour winds. And looking at this, we have 60 miles per hour winds, and yeah, hail threat's gonna be a hail and wind threat heading into tomorrow and hence tonight. We have a severe thunderstorm watch across New Mexico, Colorado at this moment. However, though, we can look at the environment though for the severe thunderstorm watch, and looking at instability values, we're looking at mixed layer Cape between 3,000 joules per kilogram on the high end, right around here, and surrounding that, we have around 2,500, and also surrounding that, heading towards these cells, we have around 2,000 joules per kilogram down there. This cell is in right around 2,000 joules per kilogram, and really not bad instability values. Low level, definitely some steep low level lapse rates at around 9.5 even degrees Celsius per kilometer, which is definitely not bad at all. Mid level lapse rates around 8 to 9 between around here. So again, pretty steep lapse rates, not bad at all, and really that could be producing some pretty favorable for producing damaging winds. Effective shear probably around 45 knots across here, and also in between these cells, and then surrounding that it's around 40 knots. Pretty okay. And looking at 0 to 1 kilometer helicity, only 50 around here. Not really much for tornado potential at this moment, but looking at 0 to 3 kilometer, it's around 200 meters cubed per second cubed around here. So pretty good for decent for developing a couple supercells heading into tonight. And really, vorticity 0 to 3 kilometer Cape, which should be, we're looking at between 0 to 3 kilometer Cape, probably south of the warning, and that's where you have over 50 joules per kilogram, and some pretty significant surface vorticity between 2 and 5. So don't really think that's going to be really much of an issue, though, as again it could be running to some less favorable conditions maybe. But anyways, though, that's really it. And we have marginal risk, actually a slight risk across stretching from Nebraska and heading to New Mexico and Texas. And also we have the slight risk goes from New York all the way to south to Pennsylvania, Maryland, and also West Virginia and Virginia. Looking at day 3, just a regular old thunderstorm risk. Haven't seen that in a while. Apart from that, that's really it, and goodbye.